In today's video, I would like to introduce you a very nice problem of China Mathematical Olympiad edition 2002. Here is the following information. Let f is defined on real numbers. F of 1 equals 1 for any real number x. We have these two statements. We have f of x plus number 5 is inferior or equal to f of x plus 5. The second statement, we have f of x plus 1 is inferior or equal to f of x plus number 1. Okay? If we have this condition, if g of x equals f of x plus number 1 minus x, our goal, we are going to calculate g of 2002. Okay? So this question is represented as the same year of this problem. Okay? Indeed, this is very nice and interesting problem to work on. Based on this given information, so we are going to transfer the inequality into the equality in order to evaluate this number g of 2002. Okay, so I would be recommended to give the try to this problem prior getting to the solution. By the way, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Now let's go ahead, jump into the solution. So we have these two following statements. We have f of x plus number 5 is inferior or equal to f of x plus 5. Okay, so in order to solve this one, I'm going to work on both inequalities. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one by using the second one. Okay, so if you take a look carefully, the second one, we have f of x plus number 1 is inferior equal to f of x plus number 1. X and number 1 are separated from each other in the right hand side of this inequality. Okay, so this one is taken out as f of x separately plus number 1. Okay, so I'm going to use this fact like this. So in order to solve this one, I'm going to work on the first inequality by using the second inequality. So both of them are combined. Okay, I'm going to use this fact. I have this one is inferior or equal to the same function. I'm going to take number 1 out of here. I will have f of x plus 4 plus number 1. Okay, like this. I'm going to use this pattern all the way down. So this one is inferior or equal to f of x plus 3 plus number 1 plus the original one plus 2 is inferior or equal to f of x plus 2 plus number 3 plus number 1 plus the original number 2. This one is inferior or equal to f of x plus number 1 plus number 4, like this. Then lastly, we have f of x plus number 5. If you take a look carefully, it's taking us back to the original one. So that means the same function is between the same function. So by using the quiz theorem, so now we have two things here. We have f of x plus number 5 is inferior or equal to f of x plus number 5. The same function is between the same function, which is f of x plus number 5. Okay, then I'm going to use this fact by using the squeeze theorem. So this one is telling us f of x plus number 5 equals f of x plus number 5, like this. Okay, this argument follows similarly to the second inequality. So I will have also f of x plus number 1 is between f of x plus number 1 separately and the same function f of x plus number 1, like this. Okay, this one is telling us f of x plus number 1 equals f of x plus number 1 separately, like this. Okay, now we have ended with this expression. Now I'm going to calculate f of 2. F of 2 by replacing x with number 1. I will get f of 1 plus number 1. I already have f of 1 equals 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, I'm going to calculate f of 3. F of 3 is the same as f of 2 plus number 1. I'm going to replace f of 2 with its value. I will get 2 plus 1, which is 3. I'm going to calculate f of 4 is the same as f of 3 plus number 1. I already calculated f of t, which is 3. plus number 1, which is 4. This argument follows similarly to f of 2002, which is f of 2001 plus number 1. So I will have the same thing. F of 2001 equals 2001 plus number 1. We'll have 1 plus 2001, which is 2002. Okay, consequently I'm going to use this one as I have here. So we have g. I'm going to calculate 2002, which is equal f of 2002 plus number 1 minus 2002. Okay, so f of 2002, I already calculated, it was 2002 plus number 1 minus 2002. Okay, so 2002 will be cancelled out because one is positive, the other one is negative. So we'll have ended with g of 2002 equals number 1. Okay, we have ended with this value. So I have done this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.